today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So we're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on options. When you just click on options, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just come here to default contact selected, click here in this sign. Then like you see this sign show for us here, that's main default contact selected enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking